It's Erica Salud. I'm a certified professional organizer and owner of Living in Harmony, living-harmony.org, a professional organizing company founded by me in 2003 in Cambridge, Massachusetts, in the United States. We work with people all over the world, with our niche being entrepreneurs, consultants, and professors who are overwhelmed by the chaos in their lives, or maybe they just know that there's room for improvement in how they're doing things. Through organizing, we create the ideal environment for them to achieve their desires and live their purpose. We do this using the signature system that I created. The system is made up of holistic and coach-centered processes and organizing strategies that are proven to get lasting results. I've also developed two other signature systems. When clients use my empowered time process, they end up with a blueprint that lets them take control of their time. They're healthier, more serene, and extra productive. They're more their best self. And my jetpack system transforms packing and traveling from stress to simplicity for all kinds of travelers, whether it's for a relaxing vacation, an intense trek, or a super important business trip. Or maybe it's a combination of two of these, in which case the system strategies really shine. When clients work any of these three systems, one of the many benefits for them is more increased leisure time, so they can get out to more often to places like this. We set it up so their work supports the life they want. My presenting style is just like me. It's intuitive, powerful, energetic, and fun. I give you 267%. When I teach you a strategy, we do actual exercises and you get real life client examples from me, so you really understand how to do it in your own life and with your clients. You get all kinds of juicy stuff like guided reflections, coaching, dialogue between me and other attendees, and experiential exercises. What I'm most looking forward to is sharing with you all these transformative strategies that have improved organizers' businesses and lives, and our clients' lives and businesses too. And being able to do this in more than one format, a keynote and two breakouts, means we can dive super deep together. That's fabulously exciting to me. I'm also very fascinated by the idea of learning more about how your experiences of organizing in your area of the world might differ from how it is in the States. So, okay, come on, I'll get really real with you. I'll admit it. What I'm actually uber psyched about is having red wine and fish and chips with you all. Until then, ciao.